Facebook is a popular social media platform that connects people worldwide. It allows you to share updates, connect with friends, and explore a wide range of content. Now let's jump into the troubleshooting process. The first step is to open up your settings. From there, you'll want to go to the General tab, which is usually located near the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the General tab, you'll want to scroll down until you find iPhone storage. This will show you how much storage space is being used on your iPhone and which apps are taking up the most space. Look for Facebook on this list and click on it to see more details. Next, you'll want to click on Offload App. This will remove the app from your phone but keep your account data intact. After the app has been offloaded, you can then click Reinstall or reinstall it from the App Store. This will update your Facebook automatically and remove any glitch or problem you're facing. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to see Facebook Stories on mobile. That's how you can fix Facebook Stories not showing on mobile.